In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the tracking number for your Etsy order, providing step-by-step guidance to help you locate it smoothly, assuming the seller has provided one. Let's jump into it. First, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account. You can do this either on the Etsy website or using the app, depending on your preference. Logging in is a straightforward process, but just for clarity, ensure that you use the same credentials you used to make the purchase. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Purchases and Reviews section. If you're on the website, you'll find this option under Your Account. For those using the app version, tap on You, located in the lower menu, and then select Purchases. After accessing your purchases, take a moment to find the specific order you want to track. If you have multiple recent orders, you might need to scroll a bit. Once you've located the order in question, the next step is to look for a Track Package button or a link, which is typically located next to the order details. The presence of this button indicates that the seller has used a carrier supported by Etsy and has added a tracking number for your benefit. Clicking Track Package is your key to accessing the current status of your shipment as well as the tracking number itself. This feature provides up-to-date information, allowing you to see exactly where your package is in its journey to you. It makes the process seamless and gives you peace of mind knowing your package is in transit. However, there are instances where you might not see the Track Package button or link. This could happen if the seller used a carrier not directly supported by Etsy or if the tracking information wasn't linked properly. If that's the case, don't worry. There's another way to potentially find your tracking number. On the website, you can do this by clicking on View Receipt, which is conveniently located next to your order. This page often contains useful order details, including the tracking number if the seller has provided one. It acts as your digital proof of purchase and is a handy way to double-check the shipping details. In conclusion, finding your Etsy order tracking number is a simple process once you're familiar with these steps. Whether through the app or website, Etsy provides these tools to ensure you're always informed about your purchase. Remember, the key is to ensure the seller has included a tracking number and to check both the Track Package link and the View Receipt page if needed. With this information at your fingertips, you're well equipped to track your Etsy orders with ease. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.